Hey everybody, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax here in Summers Point, New Jersey. Today we're checking out this 2016 Sea Ray 270 SDX that we just took in on a trade. This has the dune interior. This has a single 300 Mercury outboard on the back. This was lift cap, so there's no bottom paint on this boat. There's your ski pylon right there. Great walkthrough with the sea deck. Very spacious, very clean boat. This is a real popular model for us because this is a great sandbar boat, dock and dine, great doing all your water activities with the family. This also has a tower on the boat with a canvas bimini, all molded in. Great kind of layout storage. Here you have a igloo cooler. You have two cup holders. You have a nice step for boarding. Additional storage here in the back, transom shower, and a close-off door, which is great. It has some snap-out carpeting. Additional storage right here. This is where the two tables, so it has a bow and a stern table. Okay, twin batteries on this as well, with switch. Stepping up here to the helm. Twin helm chairs. So this does have like your basic SmartCraft gauges, stereo. There's your helm area there. You do a real nice job with all of this. It is yacht certified. And then this has a vacuum flush head on it. Very spacious for this size boat. And a lot of room up here in the bow for seating and entertaining. You want to see this boat or any other boat, please give us a call at 609-926-0600. Again, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax in Summers Point, New Jersey. Thank you.